In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put pages side by side here in Canva. Now, I don't know if you know this or not, but Canva actually has three different layouts. It's this one, where the pages are underneath each other. If we want to use the next one, we can click down here in the right-hand corner where it says Thumbnail View. If we click on there, we then have the pages side by side at the bottom. Now, this is my preferred layout, which I use, but if you want them completely next to each other, side by side, we can then click on this one just here where it says Grid View. So if we click on there, just like that, we're going to see the pages side by side. Now, we can't actually edit pages like this. If we click on one, it's not going to do anything because this is just a layout, whereas if we come and close Grid View, this is the layout where we can have it side by side at the bottom, and then we can click onto the page that we want and then edit that page as well. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to put pages side by side here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.